How long does it take you to clean a saw blade? 10 minutes? 15? Let's cut that down to 1. Introducing the BLADECLEAN blade and bit cleaning system, another true innovation from MicroJig. A clean carbide edge is essential to cut quality. When your blades and bits seem like they're not cutting as well as they used to, odds are they're not dull, they're dirty. The junk that builds up around the carbide puts stress on your machine, generates more heat, and gives you burny, tear-outy cuts. Ugh. The BLADECLEAN system makes quick work of cleaning saw blades and router bits without the use of harsh chemicals. This all-in-one solution is designed to clean an entire side of the blade in a single motion. The system includes a magnetic handle for safe blade handling, a heavy-duty mandrel, 6 small abrasive discs, and a good old-fashioned wire brush. The lid features a router bit cleaning wheel, allowing you to handle, soak, and clean your bits safely. The discs are also great for cleaning other metal tools in your shop like chisels, hand planes, or restoring old hardware. When you're all done, simply close it up and store it away for later use. Next time you need to clean a blade or a bit, you're already set up. Spend less time cleaning and more time building. Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to cart and work smarter today with the BLADECLEAN blade and bit cleaning system. MicroJig. Work safer, work smarter.